guys, welcome back to another video. You can tell I have a different, different skin. I really like it. And look at the back. It has wings and fur. I don't know why I'm so excited. Well, I will tell you why. The texture pack. Yeah, Peyton. Now you know what my name is. Texture pack is so weird because update. Oh, dang it. Still have a code. I have a code. So if I haven't been filming, well, because, sickness at school. But today's video, I thought because I'm not going to always do it in front of my, I could say shack. Say shack. I should make like, intro and outro place that I can just kind of walk on it like before we go. Yeah. So today we're going to do that in our video. First, I'm going to I'm going to use some wood. I'm going to just use some 20 wood. What pun I said? Oh, I got my. I'm going to make it 20 feet high. You're like, that's high, but not high. So that could sound weird. I should put it on something that I think would be nice. So guys, before we go on in this, I guess you can call this series because this is going to be my third time. Oh yeah, guys, I have something to say. When we're building, well, my cousins Bentley and Cool from Bentley and Cool's Playhouse are watching me when I'm doing a video.
Get out. That's what. Get off.
Yeah, Cool. Bentley is mad for some reason. Sorry if I'm not going to talk for a little bit because when I'm focused, I need to be focused. I need to be when I'm focused. When I'm focused on something. Turn off the Xbox. I'm not.
It's yummy.
Sorry for his rude behavior.
I don't know working. Didn't work.
Turn off the Xbox. Oh yeah, guys. I've been playing Fortnite. I've been playing Fortnite lately, and I'm not that good at it.
Everything's in my way.
I'm going to just put it about 10 blocks high. Oh my god. I think there's a water right here. Every time I need to jump off. Yeah, this is my mind. I made a little mind. I remember I made a little mind. A first or the second. I don't remember. I need to go make. Oh yeah. Guys, I'm gonna have a little, a crafting table that I can bring everywhere. That was I was going to. Oh yeah, sorry if I'm not talking. I don't know why I don't talk. We have barely we don't have we have less than 11 minutes left. Wow. a loom. I know what a loom is, but like I need string. Oh my god. So guys, there has been an update. Like I already said that, but there's like I made a wall like creative and like I cheated. Yeah, I cheated, but you know I like I need to make some sticks. How do you? Yeah, you just have to put four. It's 10. That is 12. I'm just going to get 16, just in case, if I need any more ladders. Okay, I have 12.
Then why can't we play? What can we play then?
So guys, if they're talking, I'm just, I know it. I'm reading selfish. Blah, blah, blah. Don't do that. I said don't do it. I said don't do it. And guys, sorry, but like all this stuff that I'm putting down here, like, stop. All this stuff that I'm putting down here will go up here because like it's gonna be a beautiful sight. Believe me, my eyes. I think it's gonna be okay. I'm gonna just make it like a nice. Okay, guys, I'm going to take. Oh yeah, and I want to make a shout out to Skinomatic for helping doing all these videos. And they didn't make me. I just wanted to do it because they're really, really, they're really nice, and I really like them. Damn. Sorry for my language. Yeah. I'm gonna get them done when I'm done with this not video. Because I'm gonna do some work off camera, like, so see you when yeah, my name is Ray. See you when you come back. This is not going to live, so bye, and see you when you come back. This is not going to be the end of the video. I just want to say goodbye. Guys, I have been collecting stuff. I didn't want it to take a long time, so yeah. I got some stuff from that. It took a long time. I died. Yeah. The and there. So guys, I really like it. No, I really like it. So I really like this little platform that I can do it. But I think next video on this, I'm going to expand. I'm going to do it off camera, expand my, yes, it's going to not be a shack, but when you come back, it's going to be bigger, better. And I feel like it's going to be a whole and I'm going to put some, I'm going to make this my house so nice that, oh, no, wait, next video will be different things, so, yeah, I hope you guys like this video, it's good with you, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye. I really like this. Hi.